I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a new project and adding a MIDI track configured for a software instrument or external synth. Set tempo and time signature so quantize and grid align correctly. Once done, confirm sample rate and enable low latency for tracking. Arm the track, choose the MIDI input and channel, and engage input monitoring. This ensures you hear the instrument and capture clean MIDI data, which matters because timing and channel routing determine how your notes map to sounds downstream. Next, record using standard, punch, or loop modes. Use count-in and pre-roll to settle performance. Once captured, open the piano roll to edit note positions, lengths, and velocities. Use quantize sparingly to preserve feel. For expression, edit CC lanes like modulation and sustain. Draw automation for smooth transitions. Insert MIDI FX such as arpeggiator, chord trigger, or transposer to generate ideas. Then freeze or bounce MIDI to audio when CPU or plugin state. Finally, route MIDI to multiple instruments by duplicating regions or using aux tracks and external MIDI ports. Set unique channels to prevent overlap. Export a MIDI file when you need portability, or bounce track in place to create audio stems. Include the tempo map if you plan to import elsewhere. If you hit silence, first check MIDI channel import, confirm the instrument plugin is loaded and unmuted. Verify track monitor/arm state, and test with a default instrument to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.